just going to film a clutch for you. This is the one that failed in my car, and believe it or not, I'll give my hand a size. Something like that, a clutch cost me nearly £1,100 to get replaced on my car, and I'm just going to show you what a clutch looks like. Okay, I'm going to put the camcorder down a couple of times because it's really dirty, so I have to keep cleaning my hands before I touch the camcorder again. So this is one of those times. Wait a minute. Well, I'll try to show you actually. Okay, so this bit comes off there. Okay. That's that, and then you can look inside. It's really heavy. That's one thing you don't realise, just how heavy a clutch is. Oh my god. I mean, that's got to be 30 kilos, if not more, I would say. Right. Watch me fingers. So the mechanic had to take out one of these so we can match them, as well as a missing one there. That would have been there. Now I'm trying to remember what he was saying. He was playing around with it to show me which bits moved and which bits shouldn't have moved. He was saying this bit here is worn down almost to the marking, so that shows you this should be a lot thicker when it's a new one. And that's very thin, as you can see. It's about 1 centimetre thick, the whole thing at the moment. What else was he showing me? Can't remember. Anyway, I know this is supposed to be thicker, this bit, when a clutch is not worn out. There's another bit he was moving and showing me that it shouldn't move as much as it did. Oh god, that's so heavy. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not going to need much help. I should have filmed him doing it to show you how you know a clutch is knackered. Oh, fucking hell, pardon me. Luke is the maker of this, L-U-K. That one. I remember he touching these springs and saying there shouldn't be as much movement or something like that. Yeah. This is just a very basic video because I don't know really much about them, as you can tell. Anyway, these are the 3 parts of a clutch. And then under the video I'll tell you how much it costs. But anyway, like I said, it was £1,070 to replace the clutch on my car. And I presume this is the original one. So there you go. One last little bit of film. Oh, that's also Luke, L-U-K. So that bit off the top of my head, so I think these parts brand new, one clutch, about £700, and then there's about another nearly £400 for labour, including VAT. So £1,070 to replace a clutch on a Volvo. A lot of money. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.